Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an HP Chromebook, but this should apply to most Chromebooks. I'm going to show you how to run some diagnostic tests on specifically your battery, your CPU, and your memory. These are good tests to run to know if your computer is in good health, or if you're looking to buy a computer, run these scans to know what it is you're buying. So first thing you want to do, go down to the bottom left of your screen to the circle icon, your launcher. Click on that, we'll open that up to get at our search bar. In our search bar, we'll start typing in the word diagnostics. And as you see, this app should pop up, your diagnostic app. We'll tap that to open that up. And we'll see this window or something that looks like this window for your version computer. There are three sections here, like I mentioned. The first is your battery that we're going to look at. You see here the battery you have, and you see your battery health. Now the reason why that can go down, if you hover over your info icon here, it says battery capacity declines with usage. So the older your computer is, unfortunately, the battery will slowly decline in health. There's kind of nothing you can do about that. It's just a time thing. There are some things you can do with these, especially with these older laptops, where you can help the battery stay healthier longer. One example of things to do is make sure that you're not always keeping your computer plugged in and always keeping the battery at 100%. Especially these older computer batteries, they need to discharge and charge on a regular basis in order to stay healthy. So again, that's just one example of things you can do to elongate the health of your battery. If you go down, you'll see the CPU section here. You'll see what kind of CPU you have. This is an older computer, so it has a pretty ancient CPU. This is live. This is a real-time gauge of your CPU activity and health. You see the current speed, its current temperature, and the current usage. So it's at 8 or 9% right now. It's not doing very much. So you'll see that for your CPU. And then lastly, way bottom, you'll see your memory. Not very complex. These older Chromebooks especially don't have very complex memory. You'll just see your used memory and your available memory. But if you notice, in each area, you'll see a more extensive test that you can run. So let's do the battery first. I sell these on a regular basis, and I always tell people, check the battery health on these. Sometimes it's not good. You want to know what you're buying. So right here, run discharge test. You're going to want to do that. It's very quick. It's not a very long test. Right here it says less than a minute remaining. So again, as you can see, that's a really quick test. So we'll just run that and I'll show you what it says. So right here, it has a green passed mark right there. So discharged 0.10% in 30 seconds and it passed. So that's just a quick test you can run to check out the health of your battery. Moving down on your CPU, let's run a scan on our CPU. So right here on the bottom, run CPU test. We'll click on that. And again, I mentioned this is live. Oops, let's put that here. So you can see your CPU usage instantly kicks up. Over here, you'll see current usage. It's floating 99% and 100%. So this is kicking your CPU right up, stress testing it. And as you can see, we already shot up from, 36 degrees to 40 degrees. So this will kick up your temperature. This will kick up your usage. It's going to stress test, cache test, floating point accuracy, and prime search test. So this will take a few minutes. All done with that. So these two have passed. Now we're coming down here, floating point accuracy. So here we've tried all these tests for the CPU. Temperature is coming back down. Current usage is coming back down to around 9 or 10%, and they all passed. So again, another good test to run. And then down here for your memory, this is run your memory test, same thing as the ones that we just ran. It'll do it the same way. You can also save your session logs. You can save the results of these tests. If you want a little bit more information, that's what the main point of this video was, to just show you those diagnostic tests and how to run them. If you want some more information about your computer, some more helpful things, finish typing out the word diagnostics and it'll take you to this. So that's the app that we were just at. This here, diagnostics about Chrome OS. If you click on that, there's just a couple more things you can access. Right here, you can click on additional details, report an issue, get help with Chrome OS. This diagnostic button will take you to the app that we were just at. And then here you can power wash your computer, refresh your operating system, clean some stuff out. So a few more helpful things here, but that's pretty much the end of the video on how to run those diagnostic scans on your battery, CPU, and memory. If you have any questions, guys, check out the FAQs below in the description. It could save you time looking for an answer. I do try to keep those updated. If you do need to leave me a question or comment, feel free. I do try to get to those a couple times a day at least. If you are trying to power wash or factory reset your Chromebook and you want help with that, I'll have a video link below in the description showing you a little more how to power wash or reset. But that's the end of this video. Hope it was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.